Hi, and welcome to Luxury Solo Explorer. It's solo, it's luxurious, it's authentic. I'm Valentino, and today I'm taking you with me for one of the most incredible events of the year, the Vivid Sydney Drone Show 2025, right here at the Darling Harbour. The adventure starts going from Parramatta Station to Central Station. Now, before the event, I need some fuel, so I took a quick detour through the iconic Chinatown, Sydney, to indulge in some of the premium dumplings. I'm just going to show you these amazing dumplings. You see how they are made. They're made so quickly and they're packed so quickly. I'm really amazed. We have just reached the Darling Harbour. You can see the Piedmont Bridge behind me, from where I need to walk further towards the drone show point. So this is the Australian Maritime Museum on the left hand side, as you can see. This is the first view of the Darling Harbour, as you can see. You can see number of yachts in front of me. I can see the flags on the Piedmont Bridge, and I can see the Australian flag in front of me. Now we are walking towards the drone show point. You can see the other side of the Darling Harbour over here. Now you can see the iconic Eye on Sydney Tower in the background. That tall building in front of us, that's the Eye on Sydney Tower. Now this is the actual drone release point. You can see in front of us, there are like hundreds of drones right over here, which are going to be released to make the show magical. I just thought I'll show you a close shot of where the drones are. As you can see in front of us, literally hundreds of drones, and there's security to protect these drones as well. I believe the more than 1,000, 2,000, maybe I don't know how many thousand drones are there really, but literally thousands of them are over here. Now, as you can see, there are thousands of people coming to find a spot from where they can watch the drone show. So I also need to run it quickly and find the best spot. So I finally got lucky. I've managed to find a place from where I can see the drone show, but the crowds are really massive even over here as well. The drone show is
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Oh wow, just look at the shapes. It's really mind-blowing. I can't believe what I'm seeing in front of me right now. It's really mind-blowing and amazing. Today seems to be a lucky day because I found a person who is playing piano right in front of, where I'm walking. This person is playing the piano and he's playing it really well. I'm really amazed at how people are doing it.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts.
But I'm going